two things. One, he brings in the argument that I started with, the Me Too argument. That if you create Mwingi County, then other people will say, Me Too, and will give their reasons. But I am convinced, and my party leader has borne me out, that the reason why we don't have Mwingi County today is not because another person was given a county. It is because somebody slept on their job. The Attorney General did not gazette Mwingi County alongside Tharaka-Nithi and Makueni. And on that account, now the people of Mwingi will continue to suffer injustice because of the mistake of one person. That's the way I look at it. Secondly, Senator Cheriot, this country is defined, Kenya is defined as its citizens and its land. And that's why a lot of presidents will say, we will not cede an inch to anyone, because land is important. So land mass is as important to this country as the population is. So the argument that there are people that have huge populations and small pieces of land, in my case, does not arise, because then what you lose in land mass, you gain in population. And what you lose in population, then you gain in land mass. And as I conclude, I say this. Devolution, Honorable Team, devolution has actually been hijacked at county headquarters. The drafters of this constitution, and that's why they are leaving that Article 6 open. They did not envisage a situation where, when you create county headquarters, now that is the end of devolution, things now should work properly from there. No. That should have been the beginning of it. That we should evolve further to wards, to constituencies. And by extension, then this one county, this just one county in this country, Mwingi, that was denied a right by the mistake of one person. I will leave it to you to decide whether you want just to say they lost and they lost, then let them live with it, or you may want to correct that injustice on account of the fact that we all agree, and the AJ Emeritus was here, as you've told me, he has confirmed that it is him that did not gazette Mwingi. I rest my case.
Thank you, Senator. And it is indeed true. He was seated right where you are seated, and he made that concession.